cannot jump. Atom don't know how to jump. My God, Atom here. My gosh, Atom. Find a way, Atom. Oh, see, Dimple came back. She helped you how to come up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mommy help you. There you go. Do you help Atom, Dimple? You help Atom. Come here. Come. Oh. See? Very good. And also Dimple will find the way. Very easier. Oli. Andi, Atom, Dimple. Very good. Welcome back to my vlog, guys. So today we're going to walk with our 2 puppies here. Prepare yourself. Let's go. We're going to the main beach. Huh? We're going to the main beach, guys. Let's go. Atom, Dimple, get up. Let's go to the main beach. We're walking, baby. Come here. Come.
So what is this now?
What's that? This.
Hey.
Huh? No, that is Dimple. Yeah. No, we change. It's not this one. So Dimple, no, this one for Dimple.
No, but this one.
The red one?
What?
Okay. Wait. We change Dimple. Change this one. Yeah. Wait. We change. Just way off first. Let's go, Atom.
But take it better.
Ha? Hi! Unsa ka hipon? Pilang kilo?
Oh no.
Swim! Dili lang po na siya. Dili lang. You have encounter! Ew, dangerous! Atom! You're very afraid! Scared! You're very scared, Atom! Huh? Atom need to carry. And also Dimple. Dimple! You need to carry Dimple. Huh? Relax. Yeah. Huh? Atom also? My God.
Allez, we walk. Bon, allez, stop là. Putain, de machin.
No, so big.
Viens.
They're so big. No, big.
Can be Dimple.
Yes.
The big one.
Labrador. No, Dimple, why? Are you scared, guys? My God. You're too afraid of the big dog. It's all up. They are in the upside. They don't bite you. They don't beat you, babies. Oh, take care.
You look. Look out like this. Dimple, walk. Hey, Dimple, walk.
Atom track me.
But when you block it, it's shit. You can block it with your hand, yeah. So you right here. Yeah, you run, okay. You block it, come try, stay back. And you run. You don't let him go in more.
Expert.
Voilà.
Expert bulok.
Walking. Even there, look, she doesn't walk. Allez, Dimple. Allez, Dimple. Allez, pass forward now. You look how we pull.
Hey.
Hein? Eh ben oui, ben me I do same. When I back, I do same.
They're afraid. Wala. Dog. No, don't. Dangerous, ha? The popo. My gosh. There, popo. Come here.
No, she don't want to go.
She is tired. Oh. Let's go. Atom. Huh? Are you afraid? It's okay. He is inside. The big dog is inside. Atom. Dimple. Oh.
Ini ba ko na nalipat? Di ba ko na Hey, I You fatigué? You want to climb? You want to climb?
Cameraman.
Oui. Caméra. Ouais, hey movie. She want to climb also.
You want Kelly?
Eh ouais.
Only apple. Mommy can carry food. Only apple first.
Dimple! Dimple! Come here! I bring you salop. Salop!
Atom Dimple, where you at now? Huh? No, Carrie. No. Yeah, we are here in the main beach with the two puppies. With the two puppies, Atom, come here. Oh, they're coming. Many dogs, my God. Don't fight with our puppies, huh? So nice. Very nice and quiet. What happened? They want to drink.
Come here!
Ah!
We go more far.
Come here, baby. A lots of dogs. Come here. Where are you at? You walk, walking. You're gone walking.
Hey, you go, we go.
Come here. Dimple, you lay down. You're tired. Dimple is tired. Huh? No? Come on, Dimple. Ay, naku, nakabas, naku. Huh? Hey. Go. Walking along the beach. Hello. Why? No, carry Dimple. No. Just walk. You're crazy, Dimple? Huh? Just walk.
You crazy.
Come here.
Allez, keep drink.
Do you want drink?
Put me drink here. Put me drink here. Put me drink here. I keep.
Okay. Oh, you drink.
Oh, Dimple.
Dimple, drink. Water.
Water.
Yeah.
Water. Mais des
Can't
cons,
see,
hein.
she cannot see.
Mais oui, mais.
Do you know
Water.
what's on your hand?
Look. Water.
Water here. Dimple here.
But put his head inside.
No,
Put
she
his
don't
head
want.
inside. Putain,
don't
cannot
want.
be. Put his head inside.
She don't want. See? Ah,
Okay.
yeah. Drink water. She don't want. She want to lay down. She is tired. Why? You go now with daddy. Go. They're tired already. Oh. Oh. Walk. Little bit walk and lay down if you're tired. Get up, baby. Get up. Dimple. Gikapoy na dyan siyang maayo eh. We are already on the main beach. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy, baby. Walk. Oh. My God. You carry for a moment. She is very tired. You walk, Dimple. Sana Atom? Nagpupo ikaw, wiwi. Ah, he do wiwi. You wiwi. Walking. She is so tired already.
Arigato.
Patay. Dimple jealous. No carry, Dimple? Jealous? Look at her, honey. Honey.
Di ba ako tapat? Undefeated!
Kinarga na si Dimple. She's tired, honey. We don't go there. High tide. Honey, we cannot pass. We cannot pass. Dimple la. Dimple. Si Atom gusto po magpakarga. Atom. We stay here, ne? Where? Only here. We stop here. Only here. It's high tide. We cannot pass. She want again to carry. Atom. Try Atom, honey. Wow. What happened, Dimple? Huh? No carry, Daddy? No, we don't go there now. Pare. High tide. High tide. Masa man siya padung eh. Go there. Honey. High tide. We cannot go there. It's high tide, I think. Suot, listen asta. No, only here. How come continue? Look at the water. Look the water. You cannot pass. No. You're very stubborn, huh?
No, maybe we can go up.
No, we don't go there. We come back. High tide. Only here. We cannot pass. Swim. No. They cannot swim.
They go swim, huh? I don't mind, yeah? She goes in the water, huh? Don't take care.
have food. Mommy bring food, huh? Okay, okay. We open. Atom, come here. Atom. Atom, come here. You want to eat? Atom. 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 Shh. Come back. Come back. Atom. Yeah, here's your food, baby. Here's your food, huh? Your food is here. Your food. Come here. Don't go there. Atom, here. Here, your food. Dimple, here. Here, your food. Oh, your food is here, Atom. Yeah, your food is here. Mommy give you your food. Atom, your food. Atom, you don't want to eat, Atom? Atom! No, come back here. Come back. Yeah, you called them? Yeah? No, cannot swim now. 2 days already. Just 2 days cannot.
I don't get sick because she was swimming.
No, what I mean dimple.
After they went and dirty.
Yeah.
Hey, there
What?
is no beach here. Huh? When is low tide, we can go more.
When low tide, not now. We don't go now.
Mommy, I go because it's chill, le chien.
You eat. Eat dimple. Atom. You eat. Eat. Eat this. Oh, let me give you. Come on. Dimple? Oh, Dimple is very tired. Oh, Dimple is very tired, baby. Oh, you make a hole for you to lay down, Dimple? And you, Atom? You also, Atom? Make the hole and lay down. Yeah? She make the hole and lay down. Look. And after she lay down. Yeah.
The dog did it.
Atom also. Oh, finish. Where is your hole, Atom? It's not a hole yet. You make more. Atom, it's not a hole yet. My God.
Nice. Dimple, Dimple, hey. Allez.
Put here. Oh. Atom, make a hole, Atom. La.
Yeah. Nice all. Look together.
They do together though.
Thank you. Hey, now. Ah, good all.
They're very tired. Okay. Enough.
Good all.
Atom is afraid. Afraid of the big wave. Hello, Atom. Hello? Afraid of the big wave. Huh? What's that? Big wave? Afraid of the big wave? Huh? Hello? Afraid? You're afraid of the big wave? I take from here. Look, Mommy, don't afraid of the big wave. Huh? Mommy, don't afraid of the big wave. Look at me. I'm not afraid. Atom. Atom. Hi. Atom. Okay na. Let's go na. Let's go. You cannot jump. Atom, don't know how to jump. My God, Atom here. My gosh, Atom. Find a way, Atom. Oh, see, Dimple came back. She helped you how to come up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Did Mommy help you? There you go. You help Atom, Dimple. You help Atom. Come here. Come. Oh. See? Very good. And also Dimple will find the way. Very easier. Oli. Andi, Atom, Dimple. Very good. You get out of the rock. Very good. Good job. Hey, no more rock. Let's go. Go home na. Let's go back home, babies.